So the next one, don't reuse lash strips on multiple clients. So I know there will be a lot of you in the room that have massive tiles with lines and lines of lashes. You probably think it's okay because so many other salons are doing it. You can even buy whole boxes of lashes, boxes that are made to put full strips of lashes to use on multiple clients. I have to tell you, it's not hygienic. It's not the right thing to do, even though I'd say 90% of lash stylists are doing it. So I'm sure you've all heard of conjunctivitis. Did you know that it can survive for up to 2 weeks on a dry surface? So all that takes is one client who may have some kids going to kindy. She's come in and she doesn't even know that she has it yet because she's not showing symptoms. And then you can go and use that tile on who knows how many clients before one of them actually lets you know. So remember, clients aren't really that honest with us. They'll just tell everyone else, not tell us 95% of the time. So just cut off what you need. Anything left over goes in the bin. If you can't afford to waste 20 cents, 50 cents worth of lashes, you need to put your prices up. So for you to not feel bad by throwing those lashes away, charge an extra $1, charge an extra $2 if that's what it takes.